Good morning, students. Glad to meet you all again through online class. I hope you all are doing good. Students, pray to God every day. God will protect us from evil and comes. Stay safe at home. I hope you are all have completed the previous activities. Now we can move on to the new chapter. That's chapter number 5. Life is a garden. Let's see the summary of the story to Ranjit. To Ranjit. Ranjit's mother told him to study well and pass the exam this year. He told his mother that he was trying so hard, but he found the lessons so difficult to understand. He could not remember things he had studied. He could not do this exam proper. He became very unhappy. Ranjit's mother and teachers did not scold him, but they were very disappointed. Ranjit did not join his classmates in their games. During lunchtime, Ranjit himself sat at the back of the classroom and was busy with pencil and paper. His classmates thought that he was trying to finish his homework, but Ranjit was not doing his homework. He was drawing pictures. His pictures was imaginary. He drew pictures of his teachers, classmates, mountains, lakes, cat and monkey and flowers. No one knows that Ranjit could draw. No one has seen this drawing. One day, his science teacher gave some questions to the class to answer. While she was walking around between the desk, when she came near Ranjit, she saw that he had written only 2 lines and was sitting chewing his pencil. At that time, his teacher found a scrap of paper under the science book. His teacher told him to show the paper. Ranjit was frightened and confused. He gave the paper to the teacher and informed her that he had drawn a picture during interval, not during class time. The teacher's face was full of joy and amazement. She asked him why did not inform anyone about his drawing. The teacher showed the class Ranjit picture. Ranjit classmates were so excited. Ranjit's life began to change when the days gone. Everyone came to know he was a gifted artist. His mother felt sad that had not known this before. Ranjit started sending entries to art competitions and won lots of prizes. In the classroom, he started to learn better. He became a different Ranjit. Ranjit the artist also became Ranjit the student. He learned well and started understanding the lessons with the help of his classmates. He found that he could remember things better. When he had understood them, he started drawing pictures for his friends and presented it for their birthdays. Ranjit was happy. Ranjit grew up to be a famous artist. A garden has many different kinds of flowers. A rose is very different from a lily. Yet each is beautiful in its own way. Similarly, in the garden of life, we meet many kinds of people and we must look for the goodness and value in each one of them. By making friends with those who seem to be different from us, we widen our minds and get ready to face the world with its wonderful diversity. Have you understood the summary of the story? Okay, students. Now, take book, page number 33. I will read and explain the lesson. Listen carefully. Please try to study better, Ranjit. Say his mother. You must pass the exam this year. I am trying so hard, Ma, said Ranjit. But I find the lessons so difficult to understand. Ranjit did try hard to study. He wanted to please his mother and his teachers, but he could not remember things he had studied, and he did poorly in his test. He became very unhappy. His mother and his teachers did not scold him. Ranjit knew they were very disappointed. Disappointed means sad with him. He did not even feel like joining his classmates in their games. He sat by himself at the back of the classroom at lunchtime and always seems to be busy with pencil and paper. Maybe Ranjit is trying to do his homework, thought the others. But Ranjit was not doing his homework. He was drawing pictures. He drew things he had seen and things he had only imagined. He drew pictures of his teachers, classmates, mountains and lakes, cats and monkeys, and flowers and so on. Ranjit drew everything and he drew them very well. No one knew that Ranjit could draw because he had not told anyone, but it and no one had seen his drawings. At home, he hid them under his mattress, and in school, he hid them under his books. Mattress means box, cushion. One day, it was the science period, and the teacher had given the class some questions to answer. She was walking around between the desks. When he came near Ranjit's desk, she saw that he had written only 2 lines and was sitting chewing his pencil. Peeping out from under his science book was the scrap of paper. Peeping means visible. Visible, the teachers asked out of the under his science book, what are the scrub of paper? Scrub is bits of paper. Show me that paper, Ranjit, said the teacher. Ranjit looked very frightened and confused. He gave the paper to her and said, I was not doing it now. He said, I did it in the interval in between 2 classes. The teacher's face was full of joy and amazement. Amazement means wonder. You drew this? Why did not you tell anyone you can draw so well? She showed the class Ranjit's picture of a beautiful garden with flowers and trees and children playing. Ranjit's classmates were so excited. Ranjit's life began to change. Everyone soon came to know that he was a gifted artist. His mother felt sad that she had not known this before. Soon he was sending entries to art competitions and winning lots of prizes. Everyone in the school knew about Ranjit and his gift for art. In the classroom, too, he began to learn better. He became a different Ranjit. Ranjit, the artist, also became Ranjit the student. He was no longer shy and he asked his classmates to help him to understand the lessons. He found that he could remember things better when he had understood them. He drew pictures and his friends are presents for their birthdays. He was happy. Ranjit grew up to be a famous artist. Understood, students? Let's moving on to let's understand. Here, when we look around us, we can see that nature loves variety. There are so many different kinds of plants, animals, and birds in the world. And of course, there are so many different kinds of people. People in other parts of the world do not look like us and do not eat our kinds of food. Also, different people have different talent. As we saw in the story about Ranjit, but everyone wants to make friends and be accepted. But reaching out to people of different kinds, we make our own lives richer and become better members of the human family. By looking for the good qualities in others, we help them also to do better in their lives. Our ability, Mahatma Gandhi says, our ability to reach unity in diversity will be the beauty and the test of our civilization. Okay, students, that's all today's topics. Let's see the remaining topics in the upcoming classes. Okay, students, go through the book on today's topics. If you have any doubt, contact me. Okay, students, thank you all.